Hi, so now we're just going to make our controller, which will connect our view and model. And so, let's see, I'm just going to copy over this code because it's pretty simple. Alright, and then we just need one method that is that notify buttons press method. And then this takes in the name of the button that was pressed. Alright, so we're going to use this method in Java called split. And so equals name dot split. So basically what this method does is you give it a string like 1, 2, and then that will give you an array, a string array that looks like this. Alright, so it splits it by the comma, and if I had something like this, this will give me this. Alright, so and so you don't have to use comma, but we're using a we have to use a comma in this example, but split works with it's common for spaces and new lines and stuff, but we're using a comma as it's called a delimiter. Alright, and then so we get the x. We just need to convert that that string to an integer. Alright, so that will be x, and then we'll get the y. And then we'll set our model. So the user will always be x's in this game. And then I copied over this dumb AI. Basically what it takes in, it has this method called play that takes in the board, and it returns an array right here that's the first position that was empty. If it doesn't find any empty spots, it just returns null. Alright, so we can get that integer array which has the positions dumb AI dot play, and then we'll use model dot request board. Alright, so we need to check if it's not null. And then we'll set our model. This time we'll set it with an O. Right, so this will be similar to this, but it will be AI position 0, and then AI position 1 is a Y. Right, so, and then so we just need a main class to hook up everything. What's this complaining about? Right, so we have a typo here. Yeah, so we create our model, we create our view, and then so you might be wondering why couldn't we just do something like this, pass in our view to the model. Well, the problem is if we do it like this, our view hasn't been made, and we can't just swap the order, because then the model hasn't been made. So the way I got around this was I just have that one empty, and then I have a method that registers the view observer, and then we create our controller with the view and model, and then we add the controller as an event listener to the view, right? And then we just need to do view.setVisible, and hopefully if we don't have any bugs when you run this, it should work. Alright, so if we click on a button, the user plays, and then the AI plays. So you can see how the AI plays. And then right now we don't have any way to say who won or reset. But that's it as far as the model view controller goes. Now I'll make the next video will be, I'll just add in all the extra functionality for this Tic Tac Toe game. But if you're just interested in the model view controller part of it, this is all that you need. Yeah, thanks.